I'm gonna hold off on Mr. Moore right now. Let's see. Mr. Miller, sir, was there, looks like we have an offer as to Anthony Williams, but I don't think we have Anthony Williams in the room today. Let's see, Willie Page. I've got a Willie Page.
Anthony Williams did come in. I don't know if he's still there.
I wonder if he's on this Moto E phone.
Yes, that's him.
Cool. It looks like I've got an offer for Willie Page to plead a junk dealing. But is this a trial or is it a pre-trial?
It looks like arraignment, and he wants a trial date.
Okay, let's get him out of here. Oh, Mr. Page, Willie Page, can you hear us? Willie Page, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, my name is Judge Williams. This is State of Michigan versus Willie Page, V100833. Mr. Page, sir, today is the day set for an arraignment on the warrant. Sir, I'm gonna remove the warrant in this matter. You're charged with one count of not having a junk vehicle license. Sir, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf and set this matter for, you wanna ask for a trial date?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. And there are also documents that Mr. Page would need to submit to the court. And if there's a way for him to do that, if he could be advised on that, it would be appreciated.
Okay, Mr. Page, sir, if I give you an email address, could you email them to me?
Where I work at?
I didn't hear you. One more time.
I said, what do you need? Where I work at? On check stores or what? I've been doing construction like 31 years. I ain't never doing junking. I never junked in my life.
I don't know, Ms. Harris, what would he have to submit? What are you asking for?
Mr. Page was going to indicate that he is currently employed as a construction worker and was actively engaged in his employment on the date that he received the ticket. He is not a junk dealer and he wanted to provide proof of that. So I guess if he wanted to send proof of employment and the nature of his employment that day, he should send those documents.
From 2017?
Yes, Your Honor. He indicates that he's been working in the construction industry for approximately 30 years or better.
Mr. Page, sir, do you work for a particular company?
Yes.
What company is that?
I'm working for Wallace Cement Line. That's out of Shelby Township.
One more time, I didn't hear you.
Wallace Cement. That's out of Shelby Township.
Wallace Cement. Have you ever worked for McNichol Scrap?
No, sir. I never worked at scrap yard day in my life. I always did construction about 31 years to my 32 years now.
Okay. 1 second. Ms. Mack, can you, what's the trial date about a month out, end of April?
Hold on 1 second. Let me see what April. April 28th.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna set this matter for a trial date, April 28th, 2021 at 9 o'clock. Mr. Page, just make sure you're here on that date, okay?
Yes, sir.
Not here, just zoom in like you did today, okay?
Yes, sir, I will. Thank you.
All right, we'll see you on the 28th.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
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 I don't think we're gonna need any of that. Okay, okay, okay. Sylvester Moore is just it's just trial dates for selling junk.
Yes, I believe so, Your Honor.
Okay, and I think he's got one pretrial. Falah Al-Maki,
Yes,
that is set for, that is a pretrial today.
yes.
And I got an offer for a delayed sentence or dismissal upon showing some documents. And sick law is a trial, but we're not ready to proceed. So we're just waiting on Miss Horn.
Sick law has retained counsel.
Sick law has retained counsel.
Ms. Horn is back, Judge.
Okay. Did I look at sick law anywhere?
Pardon me, Judge?
So Ms. Horn, on the sick law matter, I don't believe we have the officer here.
Okay, understood, Judge. Let's see, I'm looking at the docket sheet now. 8:35. 8:35. And Becker's not here?
No, I don't think so. But let me,
Okay. Becker is the attorney. Becker's, gotcha. Becker's the attorney. I'm sorry, Your Honor, looking at the docket sheet only. Okay, and I'm not too pressed about it. I mean, secondhand auto license, it needs to be reissued, I understand. Oh, that's the defendant in California. Okay, thank you, Ms. Harris.
all right, I'm gonna call the case.
The attorney is in there as well, Judge. Mr. Becker? Yeah.
All I see is Mr. Becker. Mr. Becker, how you doing today, sir?
Good, Your Honor. Nice seeing you again.
It's good seeing you too. I'm gonna call the Nissan sick law case. All right, this is State of Michigan versus Nissan sick law case V105-082 and V105-134. Mr. Becker, could you put your appearance on, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Frank G. Becker, appearing on behalf of Hassan Siklawa as to both matters.
All right, today is the day set for trial. Looks like the officers have failed to appear. This matter will be dismissed without prejudice.
And Judge, can I give Mr. Becker's P number?
Yes, it's 25502.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. So what are we gonna do with Al-Machi?
I did explain to him what the recommendation was at the time. He wanted to call, I guess, his business partner to discuss it, so he can make his decision on the record.
Well, fair enough.
Thank you.
I got a Hassam Alakashi, who I'm not sure what he's on.
That is actually Mr. Almachi.
Oh, okay.
Hello,
Hey, how you doing, sir?
good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Sir, can you tell me your name?
Falah, Falah. Last name Almachy.
Okay. So this is State of Michigan versus Falah Alamachi, case V11205-520 and V11205-620. Today is the day set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris, could you put your appearance on, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Chair Reka Harris, P72832, House Counsel on behalf of Mr. Almachi.
Okay, Mr. Almachi, sir, it's my understanding that you wanted a minute to talk with your business partner about whether or not to take your offer or not. Is that correct?
Yeah. I just wanted to know what the offer was.
Okay, let's see here. 1 second. There's an offer in this matter that if you plead to both tickets, which is one count of no state repair facility license and no major component parts book, then if you plead guilty to both of these matters, they will be fines of $240 for each of the tickets, but these cases will both be dismissed once you pay the fine or that you show a major components book.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. How much was it? Did you say?
$240 a piece.
$240 a piece?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I got the repair facility. Is that one? Can you waive that one? I have the repair facility.
You have the what?
I have the repair facility. I got it, and I got everything else. But I don't. I mean, I got the repair facility right here. It's valid and everything. It's good to go.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is put you in a breakout room with the attorney. You guys can figure out what you have. I can't see that. 1 second, sir. So, and then we'll take it from there. So I'm gonna put you in a room with Miss Harris.
Do you see that? Do you see that right now?
No, like I said, I can't see that. It's not.
Okay.
It's not gonna work.
Okay.
So
Okay, it's the repair facility for this year.
okay, so Mr. Alchemy, you're gonna have to listen to me for a moment. I know you're trying to get this out, but you know the Zoom is kind of hard to communicate. So you know, we both gonna take it slow, okay?
Yeah, no problem.
All right. Please join the breakout room.
Okay, all right, Your Honor.
I'm trying to figure out, you know who the Galaxy S10e is?
No, no, sir.
Let's figure it out.
Okay.
How you doing, sir? Can you hear me? Oh, you can't hear me yet.
Is he couldn't?
I think he's trying to. I see the dots moving.
What, I think that's Carl McDaniel. Because he called me.
We need to bring it up.
Oh my God. Is that Almachi estate case? Oh, Judge Hamilton. Let me look.
Okay, Mr. McDaniel, can you unmute yourself? Just hit the microphone button to unmute.
And we don't have an offer on here. I'm giving it to our city prosecutor now, Judge, to
Okay.
get an offer from Mr. McDaniel.
Unmute. There it is.
There we go.
There we go. Thank you, sir.
I'm assuming you're Mr. McDaniel, is that right?
Yes.
Okay. So Mr. Carl McDaniel, case is SP 106-2828, counts 1, 2, and 3. Sir, it looks like you're charged with one count of here. Sorry, sir, I gotta look it up. 1 second. Over height vehicle.
Yes.
And 2 counts of violation or acts or rules of the Motor Carrier Safety Act.
Which are state, those are state, Your Honor.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, they're all state now that I looked at the PAC code.
Mr. Miller, do you have these tickets?
Yes, I do.
I do not have the tickets, Your Honor, no.
Okay. You have access to your JIS system?
I don't believe so. I'm working from my home computer today because of water issues at Frank Murphy. So,
Okay. So how would you like to proceed? Can I just give an impeding?
yeah, that would be fine, Judge.
Okay. So Mr. McDaniel, sir, if you wanted to resolve these today, the offer would be impeding traffic, which is a no point offense. The fine would be $175, and I'll dismiss the other 2 tickets, and I'll give you time to pay that. You also have the right to contest these tickets, and we can set them for a hearing date.
Okay.
Whichever option you like.
The first option, you were going to release the 2 tickets and you're going to keep the over height at $175.
I'm going to amend the over height to impeding, so it's no points and don't go to the Secretary of State.
Okay.
So it's a good deal. It's a very good deal.
Yes, it is, sir.
All right, could you raise your right hand? Promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, Mr. McDaniel, sir, I'm going to enter a plea on your behalf to the amended charge of impeding traffic. That's the case SP 106-2828, count 1. I'm going to dismiss counts 2 and 3 pursuant to this agreement. Sir, I'm going to assess a fine of $175. Mr. McDaniel, sir, when do you believe you can take care of this by?
Sir, I think I can. I'm unemployed right now, so I can probably take care of it after the 5th of April.
I'm going to give you the May 12th just to be sure.
Thank you.
Okay. Mr. McDaniel, sir, you got any questions?
Money order or paying cash down in Detroit?
Well, I would say the easiest way is to pay at the DivDeck kiosk, which I know in Detroit, they're at CVS's around Detroit. They take cash, card, or anything like that. You can also pay it at the cashiers down here at 36th District Court or online at 36districtcourt.org.
And pay with a credit card.
Yep, but if you got cash, the DivDeck takes cash too.
Well, the thing is, I live in Bay City up towards Saginaw.
Oh, so that's kind of a ways.
Yes, it is.
So, but yeah, if you got a card, then that's easiest, you know.
Okay. So,
sir, do you have any questions?
no, I don't.
All right, thank you very much, Mr. McDaniel.
Thank you.